Morning students. So in the previous class we have learnt about HTML, that HTML is a hypertext markup language which is used for designing web pages. Now today we will learn about HTML tags, type of HTML tags and attributes. So today's topic is, so let's start learning with first HTML tags. So what are HTML tags? So students, all commands in HTML are known as tags. A tag is in HTML tag is an HTML command that defines the matter in which the content should be formatted and displayed in the browser. So students, all the commands in HTML are known as tags, okay? And the tag is an HTML command that defines the matter in which the content, means the content should be formatted and displayed. This method is means these systems are known as tags, and all the tags in HTMLs, all tags in HTMLs all tags are enclosed with angle brackets. Some of the example of tags are body tag. As you can see here that all the tags, okay, what I have just said right now, that all the tags enclosed with angle brackets. HR tag, H1 tag, etc. So now we will learn that types of tags. So basically there are two types of tags. There are two types of tags. And that are container tag and empty tag. Container tag and empty tag. So now we will define each tag properly, okay? So what are container tags? Just look here. So the first one is container tag. Container tag is a tag that needs to be closed. It is closed by putting a forward slash. So now we will look the example of container tag. So the example of container tag is H1. H1 is a type of container tag. Okay, and here you can see that it will be closed. It is closed by slash h1 tag. Okay, so we can say that h1 tag is the opening tag and slash h1 is the closing tag. Okay, and opening tag are also known as starting tag, and the closing tag are also known as ending tag. Now students, we will learn that empty tag. About empty tag, the second type of tag is empty tag. So what is empty tag? The opposite of container tag. That empty tags does not require to be closed. Some of the examples of empty tag are HR tag and BR tags. In the next class we will learn that what is the uses of HR and BR tags. Okay, but now we will learn attributes. What are attributes? So just look here. What are attributes? So students, attributes are the special keywords. These are the special keywords attributes are the special keywords that is used, okay, inside the tags, to specify some information about the tags and customize it. So students, just look here. We will just take an example. So example of attributes are align. H1, as I told you that all the attributes used inside the tags. Okay, so we will take a H1 tag and within it the align attribute is used. Okay. Equal to center. Aligns means center. So in this example, H1 align is the attribute of H1 tag. And it align identifies. Okay, it identifies the text written inside the H1 tag is to be displayed in center. Okay. So whatever you will retain in the web page inside the H1 tag, imagine this is your web page. Okay, so whatever you have retained in the web page, it will be so, align attribute will be so the text in the center part of the web page. So students, now today I will just finish my class here, and in the next class we will learn about the different types of tags, their uses and the structure of HTML. Okay, thank you.